Good evening, investors and viewers. With which fans presenting Quad Pro IT's Limited IPO. This is one of the SME IPO. Quad Pro ITES Limited company detail. Initially, this Quad Pro e-service private limited company registered in the year of 2010 November 3rd in the Karnataka. Basically, this has changed the name in the year of 2021 24th March Quad Pro ITES Private Limited, and this company has based in Bangalore. Basically, Quad Pro ITES Limited, they have received the fresh certificate also in the Bangalore, Karnataka 560027 Lalbagh Road, third floor. So this website is there, quadspro.co.in. For further information, you can log in on that. They provide the information technology enable services to their client: cash management services, CMS check transaction system, doorstep banking services, software development services, banking transaction process services, document management services for telecommunication companies, non-banking finance companies, internet services provided, database management service, digital documentation verification for payment, bank supply, IT and IT's hardware, skilled and unskilled manpower supply services. That is end-to-end service provider, right? For to know your customer, that is KYC, spot audit, pickup of a form from distributor point through known your client, KYC audit at the nearest book office, data entry of application form into the online portal, opening an account, verifying the voter ID, Aadhaar card, and then reshaping, basically transporting forms, centralizing hub. Yes, they are giving the web portal, activate SIM customer limited around the time, that is start outward from the spoke, transport form, centralized hub, inward hub, barcoding, gumming, photograph, de-stampling, scanning, restampling, image splitting, file naming, batch preparing, and final warehousing. Insurance and telecom domain being exclusive tie-up. All leading hardware and software solutions provide latest desktop server, scanner, and part of solution. Quadro is proud to associated with the clients like ICICI Bank, Citibank, Bank of India, Standard Chartered Bank, RBS, Airtel, and Vodafone, etc. Quadpro IT Limited subsidiaries: C-Cube Infosystem Private Limited, AirRAN Global Private Limited, AirRAN BPO Private Limited, AirRAN Australia Pty Limited, AirRAN Singapore Private Limited, AirRAN UK Limited, AirRAN Network Private Limited, AirRAN ITES Private Limited, and Sanjog Pen Industries Private Limited. So their products into Quad Quick for banking and financial service industry, Quad Sure for insurance and industries, Quadcom for telecom industries. They are offering services for check truncation, QuadScan, DMS solutions, cash management service, check processing and clearing support. So basically, if you see, there are a number of companies who's offering you services as like they are really wanted to give. So why you're we want to ask why your all details goes to Bangalore, because this kind of services are existing from the Bangalore. So number of times if you see the your this, if you give the check it takes a time. If you want to open an account you get Bangalore phone calls. I mean to say, if you are that banking customers, so there is a verification code and all, verification code, OTP, then the KYC. Nowadays we do online KYC. Suppose you are a senior citizen, what you do, you the somebody come to your house and they do everything for you. So it's like that way. Okay. So they are also giving a lot of services to the banks, but it's like this company is really gives the services in that way. Suppose you wanted to activate your sim, so you go with the Aadhaar card, the verification and all. So this kind of company has really having a tie-ups with like Airtel, Citibank, Standard Chartered, RBS and all those banks, or even Federal Bank and all. So these companies gives, whom they gives basically this kind of back offices which take cares of verification. They don't hire, or they don't, this is just a contract. Okay, this is what they are having the services with this party. So there are 3i Infotech is one of their client and all. So this is the way they do it. They are collecting your data, splitting, imagining, managing your database, and then you got a bank account open if you want to online banking, if you really want to open. Quadro IT ES Limited IPO detail. IPO opening date 20 September 2021. IPO closing date 22nd September 2021. Issue type is fixed price issue. IPO face value 2 rupees per equity share. IPO price is 20 rupees per equity share. Market lot size is 6,000. Minimum you can apply for 6,000 share. Maximum is the same. Listing at NSE and SME. Basis of allotment date 27 September 2021. Initiation of refund 28 September 2021. Credit of shares to your demat account will be the same day, 28 September 2021. IPO listing date will be 30 September 2021. Thank you by Vridhivesh Finance. And yes, this is another month for IPO subscription, that is September 2021. Last month also there are number of IPO has games, and this month is also we are expecting more number of IPO, because 2021 is the IPO of the year, we can say, according to us.